Sean Menezes, Director of Fluxatic Global, for signing MOU with Don Bosco College. And especially the collaboration is meant for internship for our students. And this internship would really help our students to solve problems on emerging areas and trends, including AI and UI, UX, and many more emerging fields. So over to Mr. Sean Menezes to tell us more about this collaboration and benefits for our students at TPC.
Yes. So to talk about Bridgeaura and the internship a little bit, we are focusing on upskilling students because there's a gap between what they learn in college with, of course, the professors take a lot of effort, but there is tech that evolves so quickly that we need to have a direct line sometimes. And Bridgeaura is not just Fluxatic, but also other companies coming in to train students. Last year we had 240, this year we're aiming for 500. I think we're going to make a lot of impact. And MOUs like this and the support of the professors is why we are able to do the kind of impact that we have. So thank you so much, ma'am. Looking forward. We have a session after. We have so much amazing work to do, and I think we keep doing it.
Definitely. Looking forward towards a very fruitful collaboration. Thank you so much.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.
दाने दाने में आरोग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु, दाने दाने में सौभाग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु। अमृत जैसा इसका स्वाद, ये है पौष्टिकता का प्रसाद। कण कण में पंचामृता, रग रग में पंचामृता, तन मन में पंचामृता, देश भर में पंचामृता, घर घर में पंचामृता प्राप्तिरस्तु।
शुद्ध भी, स्वाद भी, सेहत भी। पंचामृता खाओ, हेल्थी जियो।